Hi, this is Leslie Langno with Make Parts Fast, and I'm here at Rapid Plus TCT Show. I'm here at the HP booth with Erica Fung.
Yes.
And she is a materials scientist here at HP. So thank you for joining me today, Erica.
Well, I'm glad to be here.
So with some of the materials, that's a huge piece of information for engineers. They definitely want to know a lot of what's going on with materials. So what are some of the things that HP is doing in the realm of materials that would be important for a design engineer?
So right now we're focusing on a couple of materials to kind of tackle different properties that design engineers would want.
Okay.
So for example, we start with PA12, that's our basic material set. But now we're working on PA11 that can help improve the impact strength of material.
Okay.
Or attack different elongation of brake targets that you would need. So that material would provide slightly better values than the PA12. As for more elastomeric materials, then we're targeting more of the TPUs aspect where we can get more flexibility for design engineers. Of course, everyone wants lower cost materials, so we're also looking into PP to kind of bring down the cost of the material so more engineers can use and also build parts with that.
Now, is it possible to combine some of the elastomeric materials and some of the harder materials in the same part on an HP printer?
As of right now, not really. Right now we're focusing on that specific material, but we will in the future. We should be able to leverage some of our ink technologies to allow more of that customization of properties within parts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I know that engineers tend to focus a lot on the mechanical properties of the materials, and they want them to have as near end value as they can possibly get.
Yeah.
But is that something, given the range of materials available for 3D printing, that an engineer still needs to focus on? Is that, even though they think it is that really a key aspect for them, or should they be more open to more diversity in some of the materials?
Yes, we should open up to more diverse material, because what we're really looking at, especially for a design engineer, is you really want to develop a part. Maybe it's the hinge that's you need the flexibility for, or maybe it's some other part where you're focusing on that attribute. And so when you're kind of comparing that number, like for example, elongation of brake to that hinge, it might not necessarily correlate or exactly define that attribute of the hinge, for example. I would recommend looking into figuring out what exactly you would really need and then using specific materials to tackle that problem.
So it sounds like they should be able to get into a place where they're asking a lot more questions about exactly what this material does of their supplier or their service provider or something. Okay, so where would our viewers go to find out more information about HP's materials?
You can check out our website at hp.com to find more information.
All right, well thank you so much. I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
And that's some of the developments here at Rapid TCT.